Motorola continues to quietly step up its software game, and this time it's good news for mid-range users. The company has officially started rolling out the Android 16 update to the Moto G75, bringing a range of under-the-hood improvements and some genuinely useful quality-of-life features. While this update doesn't completely change the look of the phone, it focuses on making daily usage smoother, smarter, and more reliable, which is exactly what most users care about. Let's break down what's new, how to get the update, and what Moto G75 owners can realistically expect from Android 16. Android 16 Expansion en Motorola devices. Motorola has been gradually expanding Android 16 across its lineup, starting with higher-end devices and now moving into mid-range and budget phones. The Moto G75 is the latest device to receive the update, showing Motorola's commitment to keeping even affordable phones up to date. This rollout comes roughly 1 month after the Moto G75 entered beta testing, which is a fairly normal timeline in the Android world. Brands usually take a few extra weeks after beta testing to fix bugs, improve stability, and ensure there are no major issues before pushing the update to the public. UPDT details and Verson. According to reports shared by users on Reddit, the Android 16 update for the Moto G75 carries the firmware version W1U Q36H.736. Because this is a major Android version upgrade, the update package is quite large, around 1.8 GB. For that reason, it's strongly recommended to download the update over a Wi-Fi connection to avoid excessive mobile data usage. To check for the update on your Moto G75, go to Settings and tap System Updates. Select Check for Updates. ROLLOUT pays and Einstallation tips. It's important to note that Motorola, like most manufacturers, rolls out updates in batches. That means not everyone will receive the update at the same time. Some users may see it immediately, while others might have to wait a few days or even a couple weeks. If the update hasn't shown up yet, there's no need to worry. It should arrive eventually. Before installing the update, Motorola recommends making sure you have enough free storage, charging your phone to at least 50% battery, avoiding interruptions during installation. These steps help prevent installation errors or data corruption. Visual changes, keeping IT family alive. If you're expecting a dramatic visual redesign, Android 16 on the Moto G75 may feel familiar. Motorola has kept the interface clean and close to stock Android, which many users actually prefer. There are no major visual overhauls, flashy animations, or radical layout changes. Instead, Motorola has focused on functionality, usability, and stability, ensuring the phone feels more polished rather than different. Notification COOLDOWN. Smart ADDTN. One of the most practical new features in Android 16 is notification cooldown. This feature automatically reduces notification volume when you receive too many alerts from the same app within a short period. For example, if a messaging app or social media platform starts spamming notifications, Android will gradually lower the sound so it's less disruptive. It's a small change, but one that can make a big difference for users who deal with notification overload. PASSWORDFREEHOTSPOT sharing. Android 16 also introduces a convenient connectivity improvement. With this update, you can connect to another device's mobile hotspot without entering a password, as long as both devices are signed into the same Google account. This feature may not sound groundbreaking, but it's a helpful time saver, especially if you frequently switch between phones, tablets, or laptops. Modus menu. Better organization. Android 16 reorganizes how system modes work on the Moto G75. Features like Do Not Disturb bedtime mode, driving mode, are now grouped under a single section called Settings Modes. Even better, users can now create custom modes based on their needs. Whether you want a work mode, gaming mode, or focus mode, Android 16 gives you more flexibility and control. Hearing aid and accessibility improvements. Motorola has also included improvements for users who rely on hearing aids and accessibility features. Android 16 enhances compatibility, connection stability, and overall performance for supported hearing devices. These changes may not be visible to everyone, but they significantly improve usability for those who depend on them, as security and SWSM stability. Along with new features, Android 16 brings important security enhancements and system-level optimizations. This includes improved device protection, better background app management, overall stability, and performance upgrades. These changes help the Moto G75 feel more responsive and reliable during everyday use. What DSU UP-date means for Moto G75 usability way. For Moto G75 owners, Android 16 is less about flashy upgrades and more about refinement. The update delivers smarter notifications, easier device connectivity, better system organization, improved security and stability. It's the kind of update that makes the phone feel more polished over time rather than instantly different. Final thought. Motorola's Android 16 rollout for the Moto G75 shows that meaningful updates don't always need dramatic design changes. Sometimes it's the small improvements that matter the most. If you own a Moto G75, this update is definitely worth installing once it reaches your device. It improves daily usability, reduces distractions, and strengthens overall performance, all without disrupting the familiar Motorola experience.